If you've been searching for a maintenance-free home in a hidden Sarasota gem, your wait is over. Tucked away in a secluded Old Sarasota villa-style condo community of village gardens, this charming residence offers a peaceful, nature-filled retreat just minutes from everything you love about Florida living. Stroll through picturesque grounds bursting with lush tropical plants and vibrant flowers, the perfect backdrop for enjoying the outdoors and embracing a tranquil lifestyle. Fill your days with friendly tennis or pickleball matches, lounging by the heated pool, or gathering for cookouts in the covered picnic area. Indoors, the clubhouse features a welcoming social room, a library, and pool tables for year-round enjoyment. An exterior storage shed, spacious enough for bicycles, adds convenience for your active lifestyle. Location. Just 3.5 miles from downtown Sarasota, minutes to Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport, and close to some of Florida's most beautiful beaches, Indian Beach, Sapphire Shores, Siesta Key, Lido Key, and Turtle Beach. Shopping is a breeze with big box retailers, charming boutiques, and the UTC Mall nearby. Spend a day at Street Armand Circle, explore the Ringling Museum, or wander through the stunning Marie Selby Gardens. Even a bus stop is nearby for easy transportation. Why wait? This is your chance to own a piece of Sarasota paradise. Call today to schedule your private tour,